Welcome to our tutorial on how to report spaces for violations on Twitter using your PC. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, while in the space that you'd like to report, locate and tap the overflow icon. This is typically represented by 3 dots or lines, depending on the platform you're using. Next, tap on the option to report this space. By selecting this, you're taking the necessary steps to address any violations or issues within the space. You will then be prompted to choose the type of issue you'd like to report to Twitter. This step is crucial in providing specific details about the violation you've encountered. Reporting spaces for violations is essential in upholding the community standards and ensuring a safe and respectful environment for all users. By reporting any inappropriate behavior or content, you play a key role in maintaining a positive online space. Remember to use the reporting feature responsibly and only for genuine violations of Twitter's policies. Together, we can work towards creating a more secure and enjoyable social media experience for everyone. Thank you for watching our tutorial on reporting spaces for violations on Twitter. Stay tuned for more valuable tips and guides to enhance your online presence.